Hi everybody, my name is Dan and you're on How to Internet, and today we will gonna discuss how to quickly transform a Microsoft Word document into a PDF. Before we start, please be sure that you subscribe and hit the like button because I'm really trying to work on this channel and this will really help me. Okay, so let's move to my favorite website, which is ilovepdf.com. Okay. Okay, now we can see that we are on the website and here is Word to PDF section. So we hit here and now we have a possibility to select the Word files from our computer or just drag and drop it here, or from the Google Drive or from Dropbox. In this case, I'm gonna just hit select. Okay, we have our example Word document. Okay, so open. And now I have the possibility to convert it to PDF. So I'm converting it to PDF, and now I have the possibility to download it. And now you can see that I've downloaded the PDF document. And yep, it's the PDF. Please also take into account that I haven't logged in, so this is as quick as possible. You're not required to pay anything, or you're not required to log in. In case, if for some reasons you do not want to use this type of approach, you can always go, for example, to your Google account. Give me a second. Yeah, and you can go to your Google Drive. So in this case, I'm on my Google Drive. And now I'm hitting the new button and I'm uploading a new file. And now I'm uploading the same document, right? This is basically the second approach, how we might solve this problem. Okay, now we can see that the example document, the Word document, has been already uploaded here. So I go to my drive. Now I see this example document. Okay. Opening the file in Google Documents. And now, got it, right? This is a video release form, basically a general document, right? Now we have the possibility to hit File, also go here to download, and there are a couple of options how we might download it, and this is PDF document. So we're just downloading it as a PDF document, and now you can see this is the second way how to handle this task. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching this channel, and again, please subscribe and hit the like button. This would really help me.